Welcome to Inforiver Analytics Plus, your all-in-one visualization suite for Power BI. With over 100 charts, KPI cards, tables, and Gantt views, it supports migrating from legacy BI tools to Power BI. In this video, we'll explore how to configure the ranking feature in Inforiver Analytics Plus, a powerful tool that helps you focus on the most relevant data points in your visuals. You can apply ranking to charts, cards, and tables, and choose from multiple ranking levels: axis level ranking, row column level ranking, trellis level ranking, stack level ranking, and even nested rules for advanced scenarios. Axis level ranking. Let's get started. To begin, click on the top N option in the toolbar. This opens the ranking configuration panel. By default, the display setting is turned off. You can choose to display the top, bottom, or top and bottom ranked items. For this example, we'll select top. Next, choose whether to rank by value or percentage, and set the desired ranking threshold. Then, select the measure you want to rank by. To show the remaining items, enable Show Remaining Items option. All remaining items are grouped under Others for a cleaner, more focused view. You can choose to maintain sort order and choose the colors for the remaining items. You have now ranked your charts based on the axis. Let's explore row column level ranking. When using trellis mode, you can apply ranking to both rows and columns. Start by clicking the top N option, then select row. Just like before, choose from top, bottom, or top and bottom, set the ranking value or percentage, and pick the measure. Click on Apply. The chart now displays only the top-ranked rows with the rest grouped as others. Repeat the same steps for column ranking. Now, both rows and columns in the trellis layout are ranked independently based on the rules you've set, making it easy to spot top performers in each dimension. Now, moving on to trellis level ranking. In Inforiver Analytics Plus, you can rank your trellis panels to bring more clarity to your visual analysis. Start by clicking on the top N option, then navigate to the Trellis tab. Choose your ranking display, top, bottom, or top and bottom. Set the ranking value or percentage, and select the measure you want to use. Tick the Show Remaining Items as and click on Apply. The chart will now display only the top-ranked panels, while the rest are grouped under Others, helping you focus on the most relevant segments across your trellis layout. Next, let's look at stack level ranking, which is especially useful in stacked charts. Click on the top N option, and you'll notice the Stacked tab is enabled. Here, you can define your ranking preferences, selecting the ranking value or percentage, and the measure. Once applied, only the top N segments within each stack are displayed. The remaining segments are grouped under Others, simplifying your visual and highlighting the most significant contributors within each stack. For more advanced scenarios, Inforiver Analytics Plus supports nested rules, which is ideal for working with hierarchical datasets. To enable this, create a chart using hierarchical data such as region and subregion. Then, open the top N panel and go to the Row tab. Click Add New Rule, set your ranking preferences, and assign the rule to the first level of the hierarchy, for example, region. To apply ranking to the second level, subregion, add another rule. Inforiver automatically detects the next level in the hierarchy and sets the Apply to field accordingly. Click Apply, and you'll see the nested ranking in action, showing top-performing regions at each level of the hierarchy. You can apply the same logic to columns as well. Switch to the Column tab, add your ranking rules, and assign them to each level of the column hierarchy as needed. This layered ranking approach helps you uncover deeper insights and patterns across multiple dimensions of your data. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can unlock powerful ranking insights in your charts using Inforiver Analytics Plus. Thanks for watching. Download the Inforiver Analytics Plus today to unlock it. For more information, refer to the documentation provided in the description.